Machogu ngubolia robo governor wa Kisii County in 2027. Nero teto kurusi Mbarati. Ne kiama kia ne bindo bikorokia Jubilee unless bako sana Matiang'i. Iyo tutuma itengelinga Machogu. No alenge 2022 kurwane robo governor Simbarati akamubua mpaka Nyalibale akamubua chukuroro. Bono baro chiamu nendu kumerana in 2027. Ndaraga ndra kubaro kibinte vinge se vidie. Ndevi yango moroche na keresi Mbarati nse. Ko ebinto mbiro tubantu komanya igora ya Machogu. Na wate ntuko kanga political experience. Kobo mujumbe, endobo liyo for governor, endobo minister. Endobo nuka 2027, ino muntu mwete genda akora siasa ule ovire. Igona maita sa ko lebinto yuri bitatu. Igo Machogu na wate political experience kira mukonye in 2027. Number 2. Machogu na manyire gusiyengima mono Kisii County. Abantu bamutambuete ko ruikorongo mpaka tabaga Machogu na gateki naro. Diete liko twara gusine ligia kwa abantu tuli chukwemanya sibantu. Ayoko enda asantu abitana kike Machogu uyo. Ogwete iga Machogu uyo. Oguchukwa no chia Machogu kwanire. Igo abantu mpakateki mbamo maite. Eyore biya because of governor Kisii County nene. Negane ti umuntu kareteki omanyekanete. Machogu na bwate track record. Na batanya gushine mono na ali beta kubwa migosia se education sector. That's number 1. Education ministry. Number 2, keralenge MP mwanantu bakwa na talenge mobe mono. Ndo anyorte scandal ende yonsi kurwa salingo bo MP. Tinda enyora but abantu banyali masaba onye mubwate kende yonsi muma itego ya Machogu. Mutawancha suwancha kwino mongeresa manye. Ngakero ne simintavi nga Machogu keralenga na ibeti chibesa na akole teiga. Machogu alenge abatu bekenyomba butayo. Ngeresa manye. Asenibo Machogu na bwate kubole campaign. Yakole campaign amini. Machogu no muntu bwate chibesa. Obere se public service na beto mo DC ko no mo dio mo PC kyango no muntu obere bako beru minister muntu bwate chibesa. Igona bwate chibesa akole campaign. Matenga ko mo boost mina na kwana na chi boost kusiga igo Machogu sukiri na bwate campaign. Bwate chibesa akole campaign chira baso ko mokonya sana. Endo kyo mo na bwate support. Support ile kurwa Matiang'i. Matiang'i na very influential gusi. Matiang'i nero kukwana. Igo acho kumubota koboko Machogu okoreki oetire. Machogu utatika Matiang'i oka nene nabwata abasani abange bako musupport GMP abasani gweta abananchi bako weda batanga aya tigo Nyalibale akoleki agambe. Iko gweta abantu nyo musupport bale. Lakini ndete mbaruke se video nga Machogu nabwate bigocho bike. Bira mutange tabo bugavana. Na binde tembaruke se video lakini tarakora boigo onye nali tangane kora chi video chane ga irachinga kichago subscribe like comment eganere njora konye video yani. Nene ndiri kwera chinga kichiko batayinga bondi gonye korumwa na siasa onita media team ever established. Ngakire simi ndaimo kwa chitikaranze tubange. That's number 1. Number 2 onye koro kubwata matanga. Usamuye gonde bwenzi neba ne nyangi ogane dive captured live e video bwatu ochukwe bune family chibiche cya kuchingia ngakire simi ndabinga mukwa ninga ne dive ndabikoro aso wanja kwino support mukwa byamuna sana ege gochike tangane neki obumu bwa Nyalibale na aburi abantu abange sana bagonde nga Nyalibale babwate obunyomba kitobo kobo gosino botondo gosino bukyango boni yanyolekana ibaga chikura ende bado Nyalibale atanene lakini kwa magonyoranga nende bado bawatana na chikura kulingana n'obunyomba bwabo bokoboke boni kina keke gochike tangani Machogu abwate Machogu ese kwimuka bwatani Nyalibale bonse ababekamo agende mutu oitire chikura lakini asinyu kubwata Nyalibale binyombe bibike biri Nyalibale ogule kyakogera chikura chinyinge pi ijere Nyalibale 150,000 plus abantu bakora register ochirale pachamu 900,000 kumweke chikura Nyalibale yoka Machogu akobe gavana very early in the morning akomende chinde kurunkenkenke oitire naye ko batiyaba gusinga bono bunyombe buli mutiki anya Machogu akonyaligasi Nyalibale nchwamo makire chikura kendabu mokole simba makora ekina kente tangani ekego chabwate una Machogu eki akavere mbogi tutu gotene ni omugavana aise kuruvuke tutu china machapi kututu chigenda sanga on chigenda Machogu Simbarati atwali chacha bobasi eko nyale kananga bo Machogu nero chikobe battleground na bo Machogu geje njerere enjera nero Simbarati akakura masi chireso amaburi gocho machoke enjera nero machoke kuwe kanangere tutaminjira gite machoke paka moje monde ina kimuta gite bona kirengwa kesa abuneyo ikona boko nyoranga machogu kuracha nchigo isana ikobono guika akoromoki sana akamane babo nyonka bugetutu yancherane nganera kwaki okoboko n'abanyali bali baho nyonka okoboko buno omo senator eli akabere in 2027 ando keneneke simbarati gochorera running mate kurunyali bali endo kia kolete machogu last time munda asote binyumba biri magakira simbarati campaign akamwakire campaign machogu gako gundua bwa yango okoliro paka wana banyali bali bakatana nukabisa bono simbarati zukurusi nendo mo deputy governor roro all very strong ura nyali kwake campaign buna monda nabaranye gelingo machuku egento kende machuku kochole running mate a week no maite nga 20 pinto amaite migosio kama mpaka kera chole tu ovo minister njibika na chukuli migosio kama boyo ningo nganere olinge deputy yangu ya machuku 2027 migosi ogamba ta manyire peace siasa te ya waka tameti siasa mama ko machora bera ni meti yao asiki inkyalo kwa chibesa bono this time around kukomenga no utwara chibesa tutwara bandu tumi chibesa chago chi bono machogu na bwendo kwikaranza ansali gilia chole omo deputy very strong kali mondo kujikaranza nyombora ile a politician una mondaling kakokole cheche gabu wakirusiko mambi mapema chuni timeti gosenke goche kinadigire maega lakini naba kusina moko ndena ki apart from maybe goche bi kwandire mukwane ene machogu naba te kegocheke neke mbya mno sana so ndagera bagusiba mintu tiganya sava seseni togenda gusukumana ngo support mukwa times kimoga ne tieni production amatanga chinyangi mujigondo pwensi akira mukwesi matemo kwa ninga ndiye photographer yanda sekete wada matanga live yiko raisigo ekerto nyoro konye vijana mete vijana mbiro unabona na wata matanga warama matanga ayu keremos ko marama sitete na wate vijana 7 euro vijana bi 7 ponzi pi banyor tekende bagendeka aba gusiba minto abanda bu 7 beso kukunukuru asenkoro yago asokonge gas talibia byamna sana musesene.
Welcome to Humphreys Hill House. Humphreys is a boutique hotel located on Kionganyo Hill in Kisii town. We are just 2 kilometers off Kisii CBD. And the hill itself, Kionganyo, is culturally significant among Abagusi people. This is where our prophet Sakawa stood and prophesied that Getembe, which is Kisii town, will come up. And several other cultural activities used to happen on this hill, which included Ribina dance, where women met and danced and prayed for rains. Young men fought wars about marriage in this hill. So the hill is very significant. And therefore, in the design concept for this hotel, we have done what we call a hotel within a museum, where we have tried to collect, document, and preserve a lot of Kisii culture. So right from the gate as you come in, you'll see pieces of soapstone, the reception in our gift shop. Each of our room has a piece of soapstone that explains about some cultural event or activity. You go to our common spaces, whether it's in the bar, whether it's in the restaurant, there are carvings displayed all over, which have cultural stories and those kind of things. And then at the back side of the main building, we have developed a Gusii homestead, the authentic Gusii homestead with all the traditional huts. And this is where we want culture to be experienced as it was in those days. So the buildings have been done how they were supposed to be. The activities can be carried out. There are indigenous trees there. There are free-range chicken that are running all over. And it's a nice setup if you want to hold traditional weddings and traditional activities. Then next to it, we have an amphitheater that has a capacity of around 250 people, where again, performances, both cultural and meetings and conferences can happen. as we endeavor to support the community and preserve the culture that we so wish it doesn't disappear. All in all, you're welcome to Humphreys, and we hope you'll be able to get an experience of the Gusii culture. Thank you very much.